Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix the system error or the code execution cannot proceed error. I'll try to open your Windows 10, 8 or 7, so I will show you exactly how to fix this problem. So first of all, you have to just close this pop-up. So then you have to just open your browser and then search here for VCRUNTIME140.ll. So once you search, you have to just open the first website here. When opening this website, you will find your such type of the interface. You have to just scroll down here. So once you are here, you will find a lot of the versions. You have to just download exactly the same that meets to your system's requirement. So in order to check your system's requirement, you have to just close this window and then right click on the PC and then click on the properties. So from here you can easily check your system's type. So you can see that my system type is 64-bit, so I have to just download the version which is a 64-bit. So in order to download, you have to just click on the download option in front of the version that you have selected. So once you click on the download option, you will find here such type of the interface. Here you have to just click on this link here, wait for downloading. After completing this download, just click on the arrow and then click on the show in folder. So once you find it, you can see that it is in the WinRAR mode or it will be in the zip folder. Then you have to just extract the file. So for this, just right click on it and then click on the extract files. So once this extraction is completed, you can see the folder is here. You have to just double click to open it. So after opening this folder, you have to just click on the vruntime140.dll and then click on the copy. Basically you have to just copy this file from here. So once you have copied this file, then you have to just open your this PC and then open the C drive, and in the C drive just click on the Windows to open it, and here find the folder which is named as the system32. If you have system time 64-bit, then you will find here this option as system32, and if you have the system32 type, then you will find here this option with the name of the system64. So once you open this system32, then you have to just right click here and then click on the paste. So after completing this process, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.